Ghostek, a company who has its name established in smartphone cases and accessories, sent out to me their whole lineup of cases for both Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra to provide my unbiased opinion. And in today's video, I'm going to do a quick demo and review of each of their cases, starting with the cheapest to their most expensive case. Guys, you're watching VidsTube, and if it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking. Here's a review of smartphones, smartwatches, and their accessories like these cases. So if you're into all that kind of stuff, you must consider subscribing. Plus, I do giveaways quite often on this channel, and today I'm going to give away one of this case for Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra to one lucky winner. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and comment down below your favorite case with your country and region. Unfortunately, this giveaway is for North American fans only due to shipping limitation on my end. So good luck. In about a week from now, I'll pick a winner and announce it on VidsTube social media account linked in the video description, which you guys must follow for regular awesome content over there. If you don't win this giveaway, I have attached direct link to these cases in the video description. Let's start with their most economical case lineup called the Covert, with R2X impact technology and 2X military grade drop tested. For those whom it matters, Ghostek is pretty good at overall unboxing experience. So the key feature of this Covert case are it has a kickstand with clear transparent back, diamond grip with raised camera lip, precise cutouts, and slim fit. Let's go ahead and open up the case. Covert cases will cost $14.98 US, shipping and taxes excluded. But do check out the links in the video description for any discount. Covert cases comes in clear, pink, and smoke color option. For this video, I have the clear case for Note 20 Ultra and smoke color for the Note 20. Let's see the installation process. Ghostek lists the drop resistance for these cases to 8 feet. So as you can see, it ain't hard to install. The screen and the camera bump are raised enough that a fall wouldn't affect. The cutouts are wide enough for a bulky charger to fit in. Buttons give a nice satisfying click. The kickstand is magnetic and has a spring mechanism. The kickstand only works for horizontal position, and it does not hold the position if you were to touch the screen on the opposite end. It also does not work in a vertical position, but it feels quite robust and it's good to have. Having this case certainly reduces the wobble in a flat position. Without this case, the wobble is exponential due to the humongous camera bump. Lastly, this case works great with wireless charging. Now let's have a look at the same case for my Note 20, which is smoked color. Moving on, the next one is the EXEC case, which has 4-card detachable wallet. This case is also 2X military grade drop tested with the listed drop resistance of 8 feet. Features of this case are multi-attachment wallet system with multiple layer, raised camera lip with magnetic mount, and wireless charge compatible non-slip grip with precise cutouts. So this case comes in black, gray, and pink. I personally like the gray color, but they have sent out a black color for my Note 20. And the EXEC series cases are listed for $29.98 US. Let's slide the phone inside. So the display and the camera bump is raised enough to protect them from a fall. The buttons are nice and clicky. The cutouts are wide enough to easily pull out the S Pen. There is a textured surface on the side for the non-slip grip. The wallet is super easy to slide in and out. There is a latch to hold the wallet securely in place, so you have to align it appropriately. The wallet has leather on top and does give a premium feel. The wallet is listed for 4 cards, and I was easily able to fit 4 credit cards, each of them having embossed letters and numbers. So if you have cards without embossed letter or numbers, I think you can easily fit 5 or maybe 6 cards. Taking out the card was also super easy. By the way, comment down below if you have this unique credit card with LED lights on it. So I personally like the wallet case, as you can take the wallet out if not needed. Also, all their wallets are interchangeable, so you can mix and match. Like I can use the wallet of my Note 20 on the Note 20 Ultra, and the gray and black combination looks dope. Now this case has an integrated magnet for magnetic car mounts, but you have to take off the wallet for that. And you have to take off the wallet for wireless charging as well. Yes, this case is wireless charge compatible. With my testing, the wide angle camera of my phone was not obstructed with the cards inside the wallet. Now let's have a look at the EXEC case on my Note 20 smartphone. Next one on the list is their Atomic Slim case, which has R7X shock absorbing technology and it's 12 feet drop tested. The feature of this case are it's multi-layered with wireless charge compatible, non-slip grip with raised camera lip, aluminum alloy frame with precise fit and cutouts. The case comes in 3 colors. The one I have for my Note 20 Ultra is black, and they sent out a red color for my Note 20. And you can also get a pink color. The Atomic Slim cases are listed for $39.98 US. Just holding the case, it does feel premium. Let's slide the phone inside the case. The application process for all the cases up until now was super easy. I personally would prefer the red color as it looks stunning, but let me know which one would you prefer. The screen and the camera bump are raised enough to protect them from a fall. The buttons are nice and clicky, and the cutouts are precise and wide enough to easily remove the S Pen. Even though the case is made of aluminum, there is enough gripping on the side for a secure grip. The case does preserve the look of the phone as the back is transparent, and since the back is transparent, wireless charging ain't no issue here. The last and the most expensive case is the Nautical, which is IP68 waterproof up to 20 feet for 1 hour as per that testing. The feature of this case are its extreme water, weather, dust and drop protection, non-slip grip with raised camera lip, watertight seal around the port and slim precise fit. This Nautical case will cost you $49.98 US. There are 2 color options. Black is what I have for my Note 20 Ultra and clear is for my Note 20. I personally would prefer clear case. Now inside the case there are multiple parts that includes the back cover, a lanyard, wet and dry wipes, and some stickers and a squeegee. You must do a waterproof test without inserting the phone and dip it in water for 10 minutes to see if there are any leaks. If there is a leak, Ghostek is very good at customer support. Contact them and they will help you out. For application, you have to insert the phone screen facing down, but you need to make sure that you remove any screen protector for the fingerprint sensor to work properly. Now apply the back cover in an appropriate manner along the edges and ensure that there are no gaps around the edges. Now let's test out the speaker quality to see if it sounds muffled. So if you're into all that kind of stuff, you must consider subscribing. And to my surprise, it sounds great. It does not sound echoey or muffled. Even the audio call quality is not affected. The fingerprint sensor also works great, and so does the wireless charging. Kudos to that. I have used waterproof cases in the past and I can assure you that this is of a great quality. The button feels nice and clicky. The charging cable and the S Pen sealing port is also quite robust and adequately wide enough. Let's test the camera out, and you can see the view is not interrupted at all despite of the camera having another layer of plastic on top of it. Overall, this Nautical case is very versatile. A tip here to take the case off is to start from the provided notch on the bottom right corner at the back and work your way around. So here's my final verdict. I'm really impressed with the overall quality of all these Ghostek cases. They are priced quite right. I have reviewed a whole bunch of cases on this channel ranging from cheap to very expensive cases, and to be honest, it feels like they are priced less for the overall quality. But that is good for consumer. All their cases have a lifetime warranty and Ghostek support is great. So I will certainly recommend Ghostek cases to anyone as they have a wide variety to fulfill your needs. For me, waterproofing is not something that I need on regular basis, but I would rather have the ability to add an ID card or a credit card. So I personally like the EXEC case, but let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite, and don't forget to enter the giveaway by subscribing, giving this video a like, and comment your favorite case with your country of location. Also follow me on my other social media network as I have quite a few giveaways coming up and I don't want you to miss out on them. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, check these videos out as you will find them enticing.